What's up guys, it's Ovrio. Today I'm finally doing a performance review on my PC build. I actually forgot to make this video when I first built the PC. I didn't expect the PC build video to get pushed out by YouTube or for you guys to actually like it as much as you guys did, so I appreciate all the support. Sorry I haven't posted in a little while, but I'm planning to start uploading weekly again. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. And so the monitor I'll be using is going to be the MSI Mag 275 QPF X30. Just bought that literally today. And then for the build, I'm running a RTX 5070 Ti paired with a Ryzen 9 9950X3D. I also got a Crosshair AIO cooler for the CPU, a B650 Prime Plus motherboard, 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and 2 terabytes of storage. So I'm finally going to test how this build performs in Fortnite, GTA V, and Red Dead Redemption, and Arc Raiders as well, since I didn't do that for you guys before. Let's get straight into it. The first video game is going to be Arc Raiders. In this game, I was running around like 170 to 180 FPS, depending on the settings that I used. I'll show you guys all the settings. I'll pop it up on the screen. I popped it up there on the screen for you guys to see. Honestly, runs Arc Raiders pretty smooth. Actually, really smooth. I'm impressed. Sometimes there are some droppage there. The GPU gets used to the max. But honestly, fairly impressed. Alright, and for the next game we got Fortnite. For this one I show my settings in the beginning here, and then I show some gameplay. Runs Fortnite pretty smooth as well. I have not done any tweaking to my computer I have not done any tweaks to my computer yet. So this is just its raw performance. Next game is going to be Red Dead Redemption 2. Red Dead runs a little weird on this system, but also it's because I have mods installed, so it'd probably run a lot smoother if I had no mods installed. But no complaints after messing around with a few settings. I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys to see, and show you guys some gameplay. So far, I am honestly loving this build. It's been super solid for gaming and streaming. I even added a Sasuke figure inside the case just to give it a little personality. The only things I might upgrade later are the GPU and the NVMe SSD. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.